have the Huina 1331 excavator. Underneath here, they have attached the USB charger. So here is the remote. Requires 2 AA batteries. I'll go over the controls in a minute, but it doesn't come with instructions in the box. It comes with instructions on the box. Here is the excavator. It's pretty heavy. It has some weight to it. So let's see. That's plastic. Plastic. It seems, yeah, even these here, those are plastic. Some nice flexible tracks though. And then on the bottom here is where you put the battery. And then it does have a locking latch on it. So there's the battery, and it looks like it is 4.8 volt, 400 milliamp hour nickel cadmium battery. So I'm sure there's enough life in here that I'm gonna plug it in, turn it on. So let's go over the controller. To turn the excavator on, right back here is the on off switch, and then we'll turn the power on the remote. Let's lift the boom up. Okay. So now we can rotate. It says 300, oh, let's move this box here. It says 360 degrees. Oh, that's as far as that goes. And then it'll probably go around just about the same, yep. So you can't spin around in a circle, like just like a top. It does limit you to that far. Okay, so this is for the digging. It goes out. If you keep holding it, it just keeps digging like that. And then this does the opposite. It just goes in the opposite motion. Let's spin this around so you can see the cab. This button here turns the LEDs that are flashing inside here. That turns it on and off. So let's get this straightened back out, and we'll go over the whole driving functions. So that's which track you are controlling. So if you want to go straight, you have to use both of them at the same time. And if you want to turn, you can push one back and one forward, or you can just push one at a time. But you get a better rotation when you pull one back and push one forward. Okay, I have the 1331 excavator here, and I have a little pile of dirt. It's soft dirt. This will not dig in any type of packed dirt or anything. So sand, it might dig a little better in, but this is just topsoil. Let's see how well it digs. Okay. Well, it does not dig at all. Let's see if it pushes the dirt. That does push it a little bit. But as far as digging, and if you have it on the flat ground, it's definitely not going to dig. Oh, I caught a root there. See, it just does not, it doesn't go any deeper than like ground level. That's as far down as it goes. That's why I have this pile of dirt here, to see if it will dig into the pile of dirt. So let's get a little closer here, and we'll hit the, well, it doesn't, the boom doesn't even lift up high enough to get a scoop of dirt. let's modify this a little bit, and hopefully it works a little better. So let's see here if we can get some dirt in this bucket. Oh, we got some dirt in the bucket. Let's turn over here and get rid of that dirt. And turn back. So if you have a pile in front of you and the pile is higher than the bottom of the tracks, you can get a little bit of, oh, there's a big scoop. Okay, let's get rid of that. Trying to get the bucket empty. Come back over here, see if we could take another big scoop. Oh yeah, got another big scoop there. The bucket doesn't open up far enough to let the dirt come out, as you can see right here. So that was the Huina 1331. It's not a strong digger, but it does have pretty cool, like, realistic movements to it. A little disappointing for the price that you pay. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. I'll click the subscribe button right over there. Smash that like button, but I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.